Welcome to House of Hybrid. My name is Renato, and today we're going to show how to jump start a Ford Fusion hybrid that goes all the way from 2013 all the way to 2020. It's the same process. And also we're going to show the location of the battery, even though we're not using the battery to jump start. Okay, let's do it. So the reason we don't jump start from the battery is because if you're running out of battery, you won't be able to open your trunk because there's no key to get in it. So you either have to press twice the key fob or press this button inside the cabin. You also have it, this button here in the dash, where you press and you open the trunk. So just for you guys to know where is located the battery, will be on the left side, the driver's side. You will see the little door here. This little door. There's two knobs. This one is missing one. You just turn counterclock and that falls and you can open. On the right side will be the positive and the left side will be the negative. So for charging the battery or anything, you just plug onto those two. But when you have a car with a problem with the battery, you most likely won't be able to open your trunk. Okay, so we're doing from the front of the car. That's the easiest way to do it. But before we go over there, I'm going to give you guys a tip. I really love those products. Those are a mini jump start. It's this size and have a small cable, and you can jump your car, even your big truck with it. And it's really helpful because you not only use to jump start, but sometimes you run out of battery on your phone. You can go over here. It has some USB connections on it that you can charge your computer, your whatever it needs a USB to be charged, you'll be able to charge from. If you power a computer, you can do as well. Okay, and also you also have a flashlight. It's not the best flashlight, but if you press and hold, you have a flashlight. If you press twice, you're gonna have a quick strobe. And if you press another time, you're going to have a slow strobe. So I highly recommend to have one of those. It's really handy when you need. Really handy. So let's do it now. So we're going to plug the wires on it. Every time that you're going to use, you must plug the wire first. Don't leave that all the time on it. So, and the way we do it, the positive cable will go into, you're gonna see the red cover here. You pull this and you're gonna see this bolt. You plug it over here. The negative, you see this extra bolt here is to do that. As soon as we plug in, it's light up and it's ready to start. Then when you finish, this you use for giving or receive power. Okay, so, and then once you're done, you just disconnect them and don't forget to cover them and you're good. Another thing that I like about this is once you not connect to the battery, this has no power. You can even touch one to each other, you're not shorting out. So that's really safe and good to have. I highly recommend it. So I hope that was helpful, and I see you guys next video. Thank you.